Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best countertop paints that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay? So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Glint Granite Countertop Paint Kit in Black Gold. This kit is a great budget-friendly option for those looking to dip their toes into DIY countertop refinishing. It offers a long-lasting, high-gloss acrylic finish that is both heat and stain-resistant, making it suitable for everyday use. However, it's important to note that some prep work is required, including sanding and cleaning the surface beforehand to ensure the best results. The kit includes the paint, roller, and sponge, but unfortunately it does not come with a paint tray, which might be a slight inconvenience for some users. Performance-wise, Glint's paint kit delivers a nice glossy finish that mimics the look of granite. It covers up to 38 square feet, making it a good option for small to medium-sized countertops. However, the paint does require a curing period of 5 to 7 days before it reaches full durability, which might not be ideal for those looking for a quick project. Additionally, its water and scratch resistance make it practical for high-traffic areas like kitchens and bathrooms, but some users have reported that the finish can be prone to minor chipping over time. Overall, the Glint Granite Countertop Paint Kit is a solid choice for DIY enthusiasts on a budget. It's affordable and easy to use, but it does come with a few limitations, such as the need for extensive prep work and the longer curing time. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to refresh your countertops with a granite-like appearance, this kit might be worth considering. At number 4, we have the Rustoleum 384964 Home Marble Countertop Coating Kit. If you're searching for a product that offers a faux marble look, this kit might be exactly what you need. It features a 3-step application process that includes a white base coat, gray veining paint, and a satin top coat. This kit is designed to cover between 75 to 100 square feet, making it perfect for larger countertop spaces. One of its standout features is that no stripping, sanding, or priming is required, which makes it a great choice for those who want a hassle-free project. In terms of performance, the Rustoleum kit delivers a satin finish that is both stain-resistant and highly durable. The faux marble effect looks stunning, providing an upscale appearance at a fraction of the cost of real marble. The product is ready for full use after just 24 hours, which is significantly faster than some of the other paints on this list. However, while the finish is durable, some users have noted that it can develop scratches if subjected to heavy use, so it's best suited for low to moderate traffic areas. Rustoleum's Home Marble Countertop Coating Kit is a fantastic mid-range option for anyone looking to achieve a luxurious marble look without breaking the bank. The quick application process and fast curing time make it incredibly convenient, though it may not be the best choice for heavy-use surfaces. Overall, it's a versatile and reliable option for homeowners who want a quick and stylish countertop makeover. Taking the 3rd spot is the Small Tongue White Marble Countertop Paint Kit. This all-in-one set is a great option for those looking for a high-gloss, durable finish, thanks to its inclusion of epoxy resin in the top coat. The 3-step application process is simple and straightforward, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and experienced DIYers. The kit comes with all the necessary tools: rollers, brushes, and even a mixing stick, so you can get started right out of the box. It covers up to 35 square feet, which is suitable for smaller countertops in kitchens and bathrooms. The standout feature of this product is its epoxy resin top coat, which adds an extra layer of durability and water resistance. The finish is not only glossy, but also scratch resistant, making it a good option for high-traffic areas. However, the curing time is longer than some other products, taking 48 hours to fully harden. While this might be a drawback if you're on a tight schedule, the long-lasting results are worth the wait. The safe, non-toxic formula is another plus, as it ensures that the product is odorless and safe for indoor use. Overall, the Small Tongue Countertop Paint Kit is a fantastic choice for those who want a professional-grade finish without hiring a contractor. Its epoxy resin topcoat sets it apart, providing a durable and glossy finish that is perfect for upgrading countertops on a smaller scale. While the price is on the higher side, the quality and included tools make it a solid investment for DIY enthusiasts. In second place is the Beyond Paint Countertop Paint in Charcoal. This budget-friendly option is perfect for those looking for a quick and easy countertop refresh without the hassle of stripping, sanding, or priming. Priced at just $27.46, it's the most affordable product on our list, yet it still delivers a professional-looking matte finish. With a coverage area of 25 square feet, it's ideal for small projects like bathroom vanities or compact kitchen counters. The Beyond Paint formula is impressive in its simplicity. It's crack-resistant, fade-resistant, and chip-resistant, ensuring that your countertops maintain their fresh look over time. The application process is incredibly straightforward. Just clean the surface, apply the paint, and let it dry. However, while the ease of use is a major selling point, the matte finish may not be suitable for those looking for a glossy or high-end appearance. Additionally, its smaller coverage area might require you to purchase multiple cans for larger surfaces. Overall, Beyond Paint Countertop Paint is an excellent choice for budget-conscious homeowners or renters who want a quick and easy solution for outdated countertops. While it may lack some of the durability and gloss of higher-end options, its affordability and straightforward application make it a fantastic entry-level product. Finally, at number 1, we have the Granite Countertop Paint Kit 2.0 in chocolate brown. This premium option is the ultimate choice for anyone looking to transform their countertops into a stunning granite-like surface. The kit features a 3-step process that is easy to follow, even for DIY beginners, and it covers an impressive 35 square feet. With its 100% acrylic formula, this product is low odor, low VOC, and water-based, making it a safe and eco-friendly option for indoor use. What sets Granite apart is its authentic granite finish, available in 5 contemporary colors. The chocolate brown variation adds a touch of warmth and sophistication to any space. The kit includes everything you need, from the paint to the applicators, and the durable, food-safe topcoat ensures that your countertops will withstand years of use. While the price tag of $95.95 might seem steep, the high-quality finish and long-lasting results make it well worth the investment. Users have praised its durability, ease of application, and the professional look it delivers. In conclusion, the Granite Countertop Paint Kit 2.0 is the best countertop paint on the market today. Its premium quality, wide coverage, and stunning granite-like finish make it the top choice for anyone looking to give their countertops a high-end makeover. Whether you're a DIY novice or a seasoned pro, this kit is sure to impress. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.